I have just bought an absolute dream car, a 2021 McLaren 765Lt, but unfortunately, this car has one very, very big issue. The story goes, the previous owner of this car had it on a track. Their very first lap around the track, they didn't even make it one full lap. They ended up losing control, hitting the ditch, and rolling the car on its roof. And now it's up to me to fix it. As you can see, this car needs a ton of work. The goal for today is to get the exterior completely torn down. I need to compile an entire list of all of the parts that we need to get on order for this car. Briefly looking at it, you're gonna need a new door, a door skin, rear quarter panel, front fender I think I can fix, and obviously the giant question mark in everyone's head is what the heck are we doing with the carbon fiber monocoque on this car? If we were to completely disassemble this car all the way down, we would be left with a chunk of carbon fiber. It is called the monocoque. The rear subframe, the front subframe, and all the panels bolt to that center monocoque, which also happens to be this carbon fiber pillar that would run through here. When this car got rolled, it folded that pillar down. I am exploring a few different options as to what we can do for the monocoque. Of course, option one, replace the entire monocoque. To do that properly and to maintain, most importantly, the same VIN and the clean title, the car would have to be shipped all the way back to McLaren. They'd have to do it in-house, and honestly, it's gonna be very, very expensive. Another option is to somehow repair the current monocoque for the car. We got a lot of things to figure out. Let's get to work, start tearing this thing apart. I know the car is going to have to come back off the lift here in a few minutes anyway, but trying to get that front clip, the front bumper off with it on the ground was impossible. And as you saw, the OEM McLaren battery was as dead as could be. Stole the battery out of the Evo 8. Definitely not recommended. The OEM battery is $4 grand and I cannot find one local. You should never do this unless you have to. Now the next thing to figure out on any new supercar that I ever get, Mclaren 765Lt lift points. Really hard to see because the car is so dirty, but there's a little green sticker right there that is going to be the lift points for the two-post. Finally, the first main panel is removed, the front bumper is off. It's so interesting working on different cars, different manufacturers. You guys know the last expensive car I rebuilt would have been the GT3 RS. Working on this, completely different. I always say the first day of a project is the most important day. Of course, you get very excited, super stoked to start a new project, but it's so important to remember where everything goes as you're taking it apart. And if you're just in a huge rush like I usually am, you kind of forget where things go. So take a lot of photos, bag stuff up, and just take your time would be my advice. I had high hopes of fixing the bumper, and I still might attempt it. It is a full carbon fiber bumper that is painted up top, exposed carbon on the bottom. Stuff like this shouldn't be a big deal to fix, but every single freaking tab where it bolts on to the fender is ripped off. So there's gonna be a ton of work to get done. It may be doable, we'll see. So far, everything structurally with the frame rails appears to be in perfect condition. All the electronics and everything up here is good. Of course, the cooler on this side is smoked, the lines are smoked, but it could be a lot worse. Let's work on getting the front fender off, and then all of this ducting needs to come off as well. The radiator itself I need to leave on the car, as this thing does need to be driven around for a lot of the repairs. Everything on this side appears to be okay. You know what, never mind, that radiator, is that cooked? Yeah, this radiator's cooked. We're gonna have to replace that as well. With the fender off and the inner fenders out, we exposed a bit more damage. Definitely was expecting some damage underneath the inner fender. That again is all on that carbon fiber monocoque that clearly has much bigger issues. I'm about to start working on getting the door off the car, but first let's go ahead and get this removed. We got to pull out this wiring, which thankfully all the wiring seems like it's in perfect condition, which will save us a few cents. With the door off, the next thing I'm going to remove is this rear quarter panel. I'm hoping I can leave the rear bumper intact on the car, but I doubt it because I can see a few bolts through our gaping gap right about here. Overall, I feel like I got very lucky with this damage. The wing, perfect condition. The roof scoop, perfect condition. Now there is some scuffing on this rear glass, but it's not glass, it's plastic. I'm assuming we should be able to get that fixed. This one, probably not, probably gonna have to replace that. There's a lot of expensive pieces on this car that could have got damaged. Another example, the McLaren Senna seats. How these things did not get destroyed, I don't know. And from what I can tell so far, even though this whole thing is munched in, the dash, I think, is perfect. Not a single airbag went off somehow on this entire car. The rear quarter is now removed. Thankfully, no hidden damage underneath the quarter. The only thing would be this upper quarter panel mount. No big deal. That's like $100. I'm talking hidden damage on the monocoque itself. Everything is good to go. Thankfully, from what I can see so far, everything from about right here back with the monocoque is good. I've been trying to go through and separate out what little pieces I'm going to attempt to fix, like the front fender, the front bumper, this lower splitter piece right here. I have all of the carbon pieces for it. We will attempt to fix that. If we can get that fixed, that alone will save us about $2,000. Fixing the bumper saves us 20 grand. Fixing the fender saves us 20 grand. Of course, this quarter panel is completely toast. The door is shot, door panel is good, so I gotta pull that off, and then the door can go in the dumpster. Headlight is smoked, and of course, the biggest question mark is the monocoque. What in the world are we going to do about this? That is intense, but I do have a plan. We are going to be attempting to fix the monocoque on this car. Of course, it's going to be a huge undertaking, but with the help of some specialized people in the field, I think we can get it fixed. Of course, the biggest thing with this car is trying to maintain that clean title, surprisingly clean Carfax, even though the car was rolled. It happened on a track, so it was never reported to insurance.